In this last chapter, I'm going to be talking about some things that you can do for your bot to extend its visual functionality and just create a more engaging experience for your users. Now, these tips won't really get you more users or increase your conversion rates necessarily, anything like that. They're just things to enhance the experience for people so it's a more memorable and branded experience. The first one that I want to talk about is adding GIFs to your bot. So it might seem fairly intuitive, but believe it or not, a lot of people don't know that you can do this. For the very few bot developers that are out there, many just use static images, but GIFs are great as an alternative to video plugins, because obviously video is very heavy in terms of file size. GIFs are super lightweight and a great way to visualize concepts for your bot users. So, assuming you don't already have a GIF saved to your desktop or saved to your file system on your computer that you're ready to upload, let's find one. So the best way to do this that I use is Google. So go to google.com and let's say we're looking for a pizza GIF. So go to Images, and you probably already know how to do this, but just in case, go to Tools, Type, and Filter by Animated. So let's find an appetizing GIF. Let's do this one of the pizza, View Image, and when you see this will happen quite frequently, this website Giphy. Unfortunately, if you right-click and try to save it, it'll save as this weird WebP format, and that won't work. So click again, it'll redirect you to the Giphy website. Then once you get here, you can right-click, save image, and let's call it Cheesy Pie. Great, so now that's saved. Let's go back to ChatFuel, and let's add it to the top right here, at the top of our welcome message, and cheesy pie. Great. So in just a couple seconds, it'll load up and display beautifully. Awesome. So we have it there. Now, the only caveat that I've noticed in my experience building bots is that GIFs at first glance don't work with the gallery tab. But if you're smart about it, you can make them work. What do I mean by that? So let's go to the default answer here and add a gallery plugin. And let's try to add the cheesy pizza pie. And horizontal image. It'll ask us to crop. And let's do that. So right now it looks great, right? It's moving, everything looks fine. However, when you do it, that happens. You know, it looks dead, it's a static image, what's the point? So the workaround is this. Add a new item to the gallery. Search for the same GIF as before, and because it doesn't have to crop this time, it will work. So now what you can do is delete the first card, and voila, there you go. So that's how to get a GIF working in a gallery tab. And again, this will extend the functionality of your bot in terms of user engagement and entertainment in general.